Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another crypto video. Today we're talking about TRX dApps and what you must know before you enter these. Okay, so there's a handful of dApps that I'm in. A lot of people are new to this space. They don't quite fully understand it. They just see YouTubers posting. The first thing that you need to know is that basically every dApp is going to have a window of opportunity. So if you see someone posted a video about something like a year ago, that's probably dead. Like, it's no longer relevant. If it's like older than a month, then it's probably not that relevant, just because this space moves so fast. The dApps pop up, they're solid for like 30 to 90 days, and there's something new that's coming out. People are going to shift over to that. It just keeps moving. I think that's the biggest way that people lose money or don't understand. And if someone says something is working, something is doing good, doesn't mean it's gonna perform well over a long period of time. And that's one of the most difficult things about this space right now, just navigating like what is still relevant. So I'm in Bankroll Farm. For example, there's 21 million tokens, 20 million have been mined. Of course, this is solid right now. When these are mined, what's gonna happen? No one knows. They're coming out with a new dApp. I'm gonna get in that. And if that new dApp wasn't coming out, this banker token would probably just like die. So you always have to keep updated. And the best way is just get Telegram, and you gotta get in these groups and spend like a half hour every day just figuring out what is going on. That's the only way you're going to be able to keep up with this. So I'm going to get in this new Farm X, it's going to be called. It's going to be a banker pair with Banker X. Like I said, you guys just got to get in the Telegrams if you want to keep up on this stuff. Otherwise, you're just chasing money and you're going to get wrecked. If you don't understand, you're going to get wrecked. I'm in T2X. You guys can see the auction lobbies are dying out. Everybody can see that. I don't know why that is. I'm not entering these anymore just because I don't know that they'll perform over a long period of time. I'm just staking my tokens, and I'm still getting decent dividends from that, you know. Getting a few hundred TRX every day at least. Just gonna keep doing that. Same thing with DSP auction lobbies. They're dying out so hard. 10 million all the way down to 244 in like a couple weeks. So I'm not entering this either. I do have some tokens and I'm just staking those. You guys can see that here. They're still going to be paying me pretty good dividends. So then I'll just collect these dividends when the stake is up and restake and just keep getting dividends. That's all I can do for these ones at this point. Other than that, I'm watching out for Farm X, and I have my TRX over here on Sun.io. Just staking here and earning some Sun divs. So yeah, that's the thing you need to understand. There's a window of opportunity for every dApp. And the divs are going to be killer at the start, and then they'll probably slowly decline. So you got to be careful with what people are saying, what YouTubers are saying. I tried to be as transparent as possible, but I think people still watch my videos and they don't quite understand, and they enter these things. And if you don't understand it, don't put your money in anything. That goes for any investment, and only invest where you can afford to lose. So being transparent, getting in FarmX, I have Banker X tokens, and I'm just going to be looking for the window of opportunity to sell these things and make as much TRX as possible. You always want to be taking profits, adding to like your main stack, which is what I keep over here on Sun.io. And that's it. That's all there is to it, to these dApps. Get in the Telegrams, figure out what is going on and what's going to work for you. These work for me, so that's what I'm going to stick to with crypto for now. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard. You might well